My name is Nasim Alam and today I am here to discuss the very important topic of mathematics that is called probability. Before writing the definition of probability, let's discuss a situation. Your father is coming from market. Your father is coming from market along with a bag which contains 2 apples, 2 mangoes and 1 orange. And your father wants to play a game with you. And says choose a fruit from bag, and you want to get apple. So I want to ask from you that what is the chances of you to get an apple? You can say that out of 5 fruits, you have 3 chances. So you have 2 chances. 2 chances of getting apple. In mathematically, you can say out of 5 fruits, you have 2 chances to get an apple. So probability is nothing but how the chance of any event we occurred is called probability. So we can define the probability as probability is the branch of mathematics probability is branch of mathematics which describe mathematically how any event likely to be occur, or what is the chances of any event we occurred is called probability. So from that definition we can define the probability, or we can define the formula of probability as formula of probability of any event event is equal to number of favorable event divided by number of total events. It means out of total possible events, what is the chances of getting your favorable event is called probability. In previous example, we getting the probability of getting an apple is 2 by 5. That is, out of 5 apples, you want to get apple, so there is a chances. It means there is a 2 favorable events of getting apple. That is called that's why the probability is 2 by 5. Let's discuss a example how we can calculate the probability for an event. Let's consider a situation, or let's consider a problem. That is, there is a dice. There is a dice. This is numbered from 1 to 6. In snake ludo game we are playing with that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and front face is 6. So the total events from the dice that may occur is equal to total events is total events. What are the events that can be occurred from the dice is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And problem is that you want to get the even number from the top of the dice. So what is your favorable numbers from dice? That is favorable number. You want to get even number. So from getting your even number, the favorable number should be numbers. You can also call events is equals to, you want to get even number. So out of total events, what is the even number? That is 2, 4 and 6. 2, 4 and 6 is favorable according to you. So what will be the probability of getting even number is probability of getting even number on top of dice is equals to number of favorable events divided by number of total events. Number of favorable events is equals to 1, 2, 3. And number of total events is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It means 1 by 2. That is, half of the chances from the dice is getting is even number. So that is called probability of getting even number on the top of dice. Pata